To some, it's no more than wheels and cogs, cleverly marking time. While others may see what we see, the steel that we strengthen ourselves, each carat of gold that we forge, every single part designed, shaped, polished by our own hands. It takes constant care and countless skills, but above all, it takes time. Only after hundreds of days of devoted work can we finally print this word on each single dial: Superlative. The mark of our autonomy, our responsibility, our integrity. For this is all we make. But we make it all, so that in time you can make it your own.